Welcome to Lavande Hotel Yichang Railway East Station Branch, where an unforgettable experience awaits. To seamlessly secure your stay, scan the QR code displayed now, or find the detailed description below. Booking is effortless. Nestled conveniently in the vibrant heart of Yichang, this haven offers a sanctuary of refined comfort. Our meticulously designed rooms, numbering 100 in total, exude a contemporary elegance, each a private retreat furnished with your utmost well-being in mind. Wake refreshed, ready to embrace the day, perhaps beginning with a delicious breakfast thoughtfully prepared for each guest. For families, we extend a special welcome. Children aged 3 to 12 stay free, ensuring your experience is as delightful as it is affordable. Our commitment to service extends beyond mere accommodation. It is a promise of seamless check-in commencing from 10 a.m. and an atmosphere meticulously crafted for both relaxation and exploration. Immerse yourself in the local culture, knowing you return each evening to a haven of tranquility and considerate service. Remember the QR code. Scan now for an exceptional travel experience at Lavande Hotel Yichang Railway East Station Branch.